In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your Gmail account to your iPad. So this can be really useful if you want to receive emails as well as sync your contacts over to your iPad. Now to do this, we first just need to go and load up the settings on your iPad, and over in this left hand side, we're going to scroll all the way down and click on apps. You can then scroll down the list of applications until you see Mail and go and click on Mail. Now at the top of this screen, click on Mail Accounts. You can then press Add Account, and then you need to press Google. Now from here, you'll just need to simply sign in with your Google account. And once you're signed in, you'll just need to go and press Continue in order to confirm access. Now once your account's been added, you need to select which items that you want to sync. So if you want to receive emails on your iPad, make sure Mail is turned on. You can also sync your contacts and your calendar as well, depending on if you want these items synced. And then once you've done this, you can just go and open up the Mail app on your iPad. You can then click on Mailboxes in the top left hand side, and you should be able to see your Gmail account from this list, and this is where we'll be receiving our emails. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.